We've been encouraged to see more than 100 organisations, including car makers, energy companies, transport operators, car clubs, businesses and unions, publicly back the government's electric vehicle strategy process, and we've noted their calls for fuel efficiency standards to be introduced. Mr Deputy Speaker, how we move around our wide country has a big impact on how much we emit. Our government inherited a situation in which just 2% of car sales are electric, 5 times below the international average. Last week, the parliament passed our electric vehicle tax cut, cutting $9,000 a year from the cost to an Australian business of providing a $50,000 electric vehicle to employees. The budget funded our Driving the Nation investments in cleaner and cheaper transport, including a national electric vehicle charging network to roll out a fast charger once every 150 kilometres on our highways in partnership with the NRMA. And the Minister for Transport and I are now working through feedback to our National Electric Vehicle Strategy consultation paper, including consideration of fuel efficiency standards. Australia is in company with Russia as one of the only major economies without vehicle efficiency standards. And Australians are paying a price for that, with manufacturers sending efficient models to other countries that require them as a matter of law. For decades, Australians were told by some that action on climate change would cost jobs. This was always a lie, and it has never been more of a lie than today. The deniers and the delayers will continue their baseless predictions, but Australians know better. We can have electric vehicles and enjoy the weekend. Renewable energy is the answer to this crisis, not the cause. Our country had a decade of denial and delay, more than enough of it. The stakes are high. The cost of inaction is huge. But the dividend of action is enormous. Ambition is important. Careful plans implemented with alacrity to achieve that ambition is even more important. Our government has hit the ground running with a strong agenda of climate action. How we have begun is how we intend to continue.